What up, guys? Live adventurously, checking in. Nice to meet you. And today we're going to talk about how to make an extra $100 to $300 from home. Yes, from home, working remotely, right? So we all know about the obvious apps: Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork, right? I know you know about it. But what if I told you the 5 apps that also provide you the opportunity to work remotely from home? This is great. There's not as much competition on the app, and some of them even specialize in what you do. So what this is going to do is provide you more opportunity, cast a wider net for more exposure for your skill set. So imagine you get a gig off Freelancer, you get a gig off Fiverr, you get a gig off Upwork, and now you get a gig off one of these apps. That's 4 ways you're making extra income. Now you're going to make extra $100 to $300 a day, potentially more depending on what your skill set is. Who wouldn't want that? So we're going to get right into it and tell you the 5.
All right, guys, let's get into it. Number 1, we have Design Hill. Design Hill is a very unique app which allows you to custom design t-shirts, websites, what else is
graphic design, anything on the graphic design.
You can do anything of the sorts. And also what's awesome about Design Hill is you can go on their website, create a custom tee, create something unique, memorable to you, and also sell that on their site and make additional income. It's a cool way to earn extra cash and money.
So if you're a graphic designer or creative, post your skills on Design Hill today. Don't waste time. This next one, guys, we work remotely. It's exactly how it sounds. It's for people looking to work remote, and it's for people looking to hire people who want to work remote. They boast 3 million users per month. And here's the thing that separates this one from the pretenders to the contenders. It's $300 to post a job. So if I'm a company looking for someone to hire, and I have to spend $300 to post that job, I'm gonna make sure I hire the best person possible for that job, and their resume has to be tip top. So if you have any skills in marketing, sales, customer service, VA work, programming, whatever it is, engineering, even HR, post your skills on We Work Remotely to get seen and potentially get hired, make that extra $100 to $300 a day on this site. All the people on this site are serious candidates, and they're looking to hire someone just off the fact you gotta pay $300 to enter a job entry.
Another site on our list is called People Per Hour. This site uses AI to match clients with freelancers. This is a great app because it's gonna cut out all of those people who are freelancers that are not really serious about their business, who are not going to benefit you in a high level way. So if you are serious about business, if you are serious about your craft, this is a great app to earn extra money, and people are gonna pay you for your expertise, and they are gonna be certain that you're gonna get the job done.
But they still specialize in freelance work like bloggers, virtual assistant, and things of that nature. They bolster 2,500 jobs/careers in over 50 different categories. So look into flex job, especially you more so career orientated, looking to lock down something that's home. That's home. So you make your extra $100 to $300 a day working from home. So you're not necessarily just freelancing and scavenging, but they do offer that as well. But if you're serious about a career, whether it be HR, engineering, marketing, whatever it may be, Flex Job is the site you need to get on and market your services.
Lastly, we have a great site. This is personally one of my favorites, being a musician and having a lot of tools in my toolkit. It is called TakeLessons.com. For me personally, I like teaching piano, so this is a site that I like to use because you can upload private video lessons where you are taking people through tutorials and lessons, and where they can learn unique skills such as either they have to be tutored for math, or maybe they are taking piano lessons, saxophone. The world is endless. Maybe you're teaching Spanish. There are so many different things you can utilize this site for and put your skills onto to earn some extra cash. And if you love it anyway, why not provide someone else with that sense of love and appreciation you have for that specific skill that you possess.
This site is awesome because it allows you to do 3 ways to get paid. You get paid for private lessons, group lessons, as well as pre-recorded. So just to upload it one time, you get paid off of that. You want to train someone or tutor someone privately, you get paid off that. If you want to do it in a group setting, let's say 3 to 10 people, you get paid off of that. So this is what makes this site so unique versus the other tutoring sites. 3 options, 3 ways you can get paid, and also they pay out weekly. They handle all the customer service work and do a great job of hiring, aligning the tutors with the students. So check it out, TakeLessons.com. Make that extra $100 to $300 a day.
Guys, these are all great sites. Take a look at them, research them, find one that works, find multiple that works. But listen here, comment below just in case we missed something. Add some advice you may have for us or our other viewers and listeners. But remember guys, always live adventurously. The world is yours.